At this juncture, may I request Mrs. Dr. Dadiva Bernabe for an announcement.
Muli, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Sa oras nito, aking po kayong inaanyayahan sa isang malapit na pagpusalo. Sana po'y masiyahan kayo sa aming pinaghandaan. Salamat po.
Okay, salamat po. We heard it, dinner is served. Pero para po maging maayos, I'll be calling you by table. Okay po? Pag tinawag ko po yung isang table, tatawag din po ako ng another table to pose for a picture taking with Ka Andrew over here. Okay po ba yun? Will you please give a thumbs up sign? Okay, thank you so much. So let's get moving. And while you're queuing for the buffet, we shall be seeing a video presentation about Ka Andrew. Is the video presentation ready? Okay, thank you. So, table number 6, please proceed to the buffet table. And table number 10, will you please pose with Ka Andrew over here? Picture taking po, while the music is playing.